Okay, so welcome to Codewars with Jace episode 2 by Pranav. So in this video, we'll see an interesting question. So stop nipping my row. They have given the input as a string. So here we need to proceed if any of the word in this sentence in the string, if that is greater than 5, we'll just reverse it. Or else we'll keep it as it is and we will move on. So for this input, so hey, it's only of 3 digit, so we have kept it as it is the same. Then this is space, then fellow, so it's again more than or equal to 5, so we have reversed it. Again is warriors, even this is more than or equal to 5, so we have again reversed it. So this is actual output which we'll get. Same applies for in this is a test, so all of these words are less than 5, so we have not done anything, we just return it as it is as possible. Now we'll do this. Okay, so they have given us a string, right? We need to return a string itself, but in a modified manner. What actually is if any word has more than 5 or equal to 5 letter in it, we'll just reverse it. So I'll return. So they have already given us a string. So now what I'll do is I'll split the string in terms of spaces. See, I need to split this space, this space. So I'll get individual word. So now I have the individual word. So for each individual word, I'll map it through it. I'll map to each and individual word in it. Now, if my word, if the length of the word, if that is greater than or equal to 5, then I'll reverse it. I'll reverse my word. Else I'll put as it is possible. I'll do nothing. I'll just keep the word as it is. So I've used a ternary operator here. Then actually I had split before, right? So now again I'll join it in terms of the space itself. Then I'll return. So now I need to implement this reverse function. So I take an input argument as a string. Let me take as a string 1. I'll return a reversed version of that. So again I'll split so that I can apply reverse. So in JavaScript we can apply to reverse only to arrays, right? So I'll apply reverse. Then again I'll join the splitted version. Yeah. Again I'll check if it's working. Okay. Fine. So the issue was here. I just need to return it something like that. Okay. Yeah. So what exactly I have done here is I've taken a string, I've split in terms of space. You can just see here. So each space, so I'll get each and individual word. Now I'll map for each and individual word. If the word length is greater than 5, I'll reverse it. If not, I'll put as it is. Then again I'll join. Already I had split, right, in terms of space. And again I will join it and I will return. And this function is implementation of this reverse function. It takes an argument of a string, it will reverse the string and it will return. So this is the solution for that. Thank you.